This one na introduction. Me and me, no face, no case. Biggie low make me taste. Wanna take you to my place, we go.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is going to be a very interesting tutorial. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. So guys, today I'm going to show you guys two beautiful natural hairstyles that are so easy to do. I'm going to show you guys how I got two styles by doing the Bun Ponytail, and I actually eventually turned it into a bun. And this is so easy to do. Like if you're in a hurry to go somewhere, you don't have to stress yourself too much. I use the jam. I'm going to show you guys what I used anyway. I used the jam to slick my hair, and then just did it like it. Like seriously, it didn't take much time to do, and I really love the way it turned out, and I hope you guys love the way it turned out as well. I hope you guys enjoy and learn something from this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and subscribe to my channel, and also share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys soon. Now let's just get into the tutorial. Hi guys, so I'm gonna first of all apply my leave-in conditioner. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Jamaican black castor oil. Now I'm gonna apply my dark hair cream. Afterwards, I'm gonna detangle my hair. Then I'm gonna go ahead and brush it as well. Right here, I'm just spraying a little bit of water on my hair, and then I'm gonna apply my jam. So I'm using the beeswax and then jam. So I apply the first round, then I brush it through.
All night, we ain't riding on 22s. We saving our money, yeah. We be eating ice cream and cake. We going through like it's our birthday. Riding on 22s. We saving our money, I'm saving our money. Oh, can't relate to what I've been through. So, baby, I'm glad I found you. Make me smile, you like good food.
So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and put it into a bun. And this is what it looks like. So here I'm just trying to secure the bun very well. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tie my scarf. And after tying my scarf, I'll do my makeup and I'll be back. So right here, after doing my makeup, I'm gonna go ahead and take off the scarf. So you guys can see how it looks. I really love the way it turned out. I'm gonna go ahead and attach my rubber band on my Mali hair. You can use any type of Mali hair you want. And one pack is enough. you know. If you want it to be bigger, you can use more than one pack, but I think one pack is enough. So I'm gonna take out like a few strands of Mali hair and then wrap it around the bun.
Used to being so low, but it was good when you came to me. You were the one to make me believe that life could be better, that we could get by together. Come sit down, let's celebrate this love we found. 'Cause we know this is real. I'm about to let you know, I gotta let you know that can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. You make me smile. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going.
So right here, I'm gonna start placing the little rubber band to create the puff style.
You're from that place. You're from my place. Get your clothes and let's take a drive. Tree ups coming back in style. We'll be riding to my song. Pretty, pretty. There ain't nothing going wrong. Really, really. So good when you came my way. You came it laughing almost every day. Life can't be better as long as we stay together. Come sit down. Celebrate this love, baby. What are we found? We know this is real. Everybody's looking at me.
And this is the way it looks, guys. I absolutely love this hairstyle. It's so easy to do and it's so beautiful. I love it. So I decided to go ahead and add some accessories. This is totally optional, but I think it's just gonna enhance the beauty of the hairstyle. And this is what it looks like with the accessory. Very beautiful as well. So after that, I just decided to wrap it round to create like a bun. So you can see you can do so many things with this hairstyle, guys. And I'll just secure it with a bobby pin. And that is what it is for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy and learn something from this tutorial. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye. How to stop bloating, guys. Bloating is actually real and it can be so uncomfortable. I know it happens to me a lot, so I've decided to share with you guys what I do to help with my bloating. Before I go into it, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm going to talk about bloating today because this is something that a lot of people go through, and I know I definitely go through bloating, and it can be so uncomfortable. So I'm going to share with you guys the tips that are actually that have been working for me. Like anytime I bloat and I do this stuff, like it actually helps me like instantly. If I'm looking down, it's because I'm looking at my paper because I wrote them down. So before I go into, telling you guys what I do to actually help with my bloating, first of all, I'm going to tell you what actually causes bloating. So, we all know, if you're a lady, you know that when you have your periods, definitely, anytime it's my period, like, definitely I bloat like crazy and I crave things a lot at that time. So definitely periods do cause bloating. It can be constipation, it can be excess wind, it can be food intolerance. It can also be caused by swallowing air, and then also poor digestion causes bloating. What actually causes bloating is anytime I eat like dairy. That's when I get bloated, seriously, and especially when I eat it late at night. Also, when you eat late at night, there's a possibility that when you wake up in the morning, you're going to be so bloated. What actually causes my bloating mainly is when I eat dairy, like meat and all those things, and especially when I eat it late at night. That is when I know that when I wake up in the morning, I'm going to be seriously bloated. So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys the tips and tricks of what I've been doing to help me with my bloating. So first thing I'm going to say is drinking water. You guys, you need to drink lots of water. Like when you are feeling bloated and you're like, you're about to go to bed and you don't have anything I'm going to share with you, at least you have water at home. Just drink lots of water. I know some people like, but when I drink lots of water, my tummy is going to be so big, it's going to worsen the bloating. It's not going to worsen the bloating. When you drink lots of water and when you wake up in the morning, I bet you'll feel a lot better. But it's always better to, if you have like a warm water